At SEMA 2024, one of the most jaw-dropping custom builds to turn heads was undoubtedly the DS18 Slingshot, a custom Polaris Slingshot that has been transformed into a mobile party machine, packing a staggering $20,000 in lights and speakers. Known for pushing the boundaries of automotive audio systems, DS18 has truly outdone themselves with this unique creation that combines high-performance audio with striking visual elements. This build isn't just a slingshot, it's an experience that captivates all the senses. For those unfamiliar, the Polaris Slingshot is already a statement vehicle. With its open-air design and three-wheel configuration, it's an attention grabber on the road. But DS18 has taken it to the next level, turning this already visually aggressive ride into an electrifying spectacle that redefines what a custom slingshot can be. This is not just about aesthetics, it's about creating an immersive audio-visual experience that leaves onlookers in awe. When DS18 set out to build this wild slingshot, they didn't hold back. The most standout feature is the $20,000 sound system, which includes a mind-blowing array of speakers, subwoofers, and amplifiers. The audio setup features DS18's best of the best gear, including a set of massive, custom-designed subwoofers that provide earth-shaking bass, complemented by a series of high-output speakers that offer crystal-clear highs and mids. To put it simply, this slingshot is a rolling concert. But the visual elements are just as impressive. To complement the insane audio system, DS18 has outfitted the slingshot with a dazzling array of LED lights. The vehicle is wrapped in RGB lights that change colors and patterns, allowing it to adapt to the mood of the moment. The entire vehicle comes alive with every beat, creating a light show that pulsates in sync with the music. Whether it's cruising down the street at night or parked at a show, this slingshot is impossible to ignore. The custom lighting setup includes LED strips that highlight the undercarriage, wheels, and bodywork. The lighting can be programmed to respond to the music, creating a dynamic environment that moves with the rhythm. The combination of intense audio and visual effects creates an unforgettable experience for anyone in proximity, making it one of the most insane builds at SEMA this year. While the DS18 Slingshot is primarily about its outrageous sound and lighting system, DS18 hasn't forgotten the vehicle's performance. The Polaris Slingshot itself is a performance-oriented machine with a 2.0-liter four-cylinder engine, producing around 173 horsepower. While not a high-powered beast like some other custom machines, the Slingshot's lightweight design and sporty handling make it a fun vehicle to drive, and the added audio system doesn't detract from that. In fact, it enhances the overall driving experience, giving riders a concert-like environment every time they hit the road. The suspension and handling of the vehicle have been modified to accommodate the added weight of the sound system and lights, ensuring that the Slingshot remains stable and responsive. The entire build is a balance of style and function, combining showmanship with driving dynamics. The attention to detail on this DS18 Slingshot is next level. The custom work includes a bespoke audio enclosure that's seamlessly integrated into the body, housing the speakers and subwoofers in a way that maintains the vehicle's aesthetic while ensuring top-tier sound quality. The enclosures themselves are works of art, with intricate designs and craftsmanship that reflect DS18's dedication to both form and function. Even the seating has been tailored to match the high-tech vibe of the build, with custom upholstery that features a modern, futuristic design to match the vehicle's overall aesthetic. The dashboard and control systems have also been customized, with touchscreen controls for the lighting and audio systems, making it easy for the driver to adjust everything from volume to color with the touch of a button. The DS18 Slingshot has certainly earned its place as one of the standout builds at SEMA 2024. It's a vehicle that commands attention with its bold design, intense sound system, and unparalleled light show. Whether you're an audio enthusiast, a car culture fan, or simply someone who loves seeing over-the-top builds, this Slingshot is a must-see. What makes the DS18 Slingshot even more impressive is its ability to capture the spirit of SEMA itself, a celebration of creativity, innovation, and pushing the limits of what's possible in the world of custom vehicles. DS18's build is a perfect example of how custom car culture continues to evolve, combining modern technology with jaw-dropping aesthetics to create something truly unique.